Young plants are always vulnerable to damage until the trunk is strong enough to support the foliage above. There are different ways we might influence the thickness of a plant trunk, but why would we want to?
Thin trunks or nursery plants are more likely to break, particularly when being moved. Thicker, stronger trunks are less likely to break in storms. Fruit trees need thick trunks to support heavy crops. Thick trunks are a desirable feature for bonsai.
We can encourage thickening of the trunk in various ways, including slowing the growth rate, pruning or restricting the cambium or growth layer below the bark. You can see how the trunk of this tree is thickened when a tie was left around it for a few years, cutting the cambium. This is a technique often used by bonsai growers to thicken a trunk.
We might prune small plants in the nursery to make them more robust before planting. We might prune mature plants in the ground to stop the weight of branches causing collapse before the trunk is strong enough to support the canopy.
Bonsai growers and sometimes other horticulturists may wrap a wire or bandage tightly around the trunk for a few months. This is to increase the hardening of cells and an increase in the circumference. Removing the terminal growing tip and allowing 2 or more side shoots to become multiple trunks will encourage the main trunk below to thicken more than the new trunks above. Bonsai growers might do this for appearance.
This technique might also be used to create bushier growth with lots of terminal growing points if the plant is to be used for hedges or topiary.
Removing side shoots on a nursery plant can also be done to encourage thickening of the trunk. Cutting through the bark of a stem into the cambium layer can create scarring of the trunk, causing it to thicken. Plants that grow more slowly can tend to develop a stronger and thicker trunk than those growing fast, which may reach a greater height very fast, but then be prone to come under water stress more readily or break in a storm because of a weaker trunk or stems.
Water stress, however, can be a little more complicated, having a diurnal response. Plants respond differently at night compared with day to scarcity of water. Water deficiency can slow both cell division and cell enlargement. Trunks tend to shrink at night and expand during the day depending on water supply. If water supply is steady overall and ample during the day, the trunks will gradually increase in size, but under water stress, that may not happen.
Fertilizing plants, however, can prompt fast, weak growth with a reduced thickening of the trunk. When growing any new plants in containers or in the ground, consider how your actions can impact not only the plant's appearance, but also the strength of the young plant.